Hello again at Graded. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the latest and greatest in gadget technology. We're featuring devices that excel in performance and offer cutting-edge features. It's time to see what's trending in the tech world. Let's get started. This gadget is a true tech marvel, offering to simplify your daily activities. Explore how this gadget can make your everyday more efficient. This gadget is all about convenience. See how it fits perfectly into your lifestyle. Check out this device. It's built to perform and designed to impress. Introducing a gadget that's as smart as it is functional. Let's take a look. Here's a gadget that offers the best in tech without any complications. Imagine having an assistant that's compact, efficient, and incredibly smart. Smart, sleek, and practical. This device is a must-have for anyone. Get tasks done quicker with this gadget that blends speed with technology. Watch this device turn complex tasks into simple fun. Watch as we explore the simplicity and utility of this amazing gadget. This device is a perfect blend of technology and ease. Upgrade your gadget game with this simple yet powerful device. Get ready to be amazed by this. It's really something. Bring home the latest in technology with this easy-to-use gadget. This tool isn't just a gadget. It's a practical solution for everyday problems. See why this gadget is a staple for tech enthusiasts and practical users alike. efficiency at its best, this gadget is here to save the day. Handling daily tasks has never been easier thanks to this device. Take a close look at how this gadget works to make your life smoother. This gadget breaks the mold with its design and functionality. Discover why this gadget is a favorite among tech lovers. Can you believe this? It's making life so much easier. Here's a gadget that's reliable, efficient, and incredibly handy. Join us as we demonstrate the versatility of this incredible device. Innovation meets practicality with this amazing gadget. Technology just got simpler with this high-performing gadget. This gadget is at the forefront of technology, making life easier for everyone. Enhance your daily routine with the efficiency of this device. Practical and tech-savvy, this device is perfect for anyone's gadget collection. Take a step into the future with this gadget's exceptional capabilities. This gadget is your new problem solver, from the kitchen to the office. reliable helper, this gadget is ready to step up. Check this out. It's something new and super cool. Innovative, sleek, and indispensable, this gadget is your perfect daily companion. Welcome a new level of convenience into your life with this exceptional gadget. See this gadget in action, and you'll know why it's a must-have. Get to know this high-performing gadget that everyone's talking about. Unbox the future with this sophisticated and practical gadget. This gadget doesn't just keep up with the times, it sets the trend. Ever seen anything like this? It's incredible. This is a game changer. It's going to make things so much better. This gadget, it's a total lifesaver, seriously. Discover the perfect blend of functionality and style with this innovative gadget.